Dogs are masters of hiding pain. They won't cry, complain, or point at where it hurts, but they do leave clues. Tiny changes in their behavior, movement, and energy that reveal when something's wrong. If you ignore those signs, pain can quietly steal your dog's joy, mobility, and even their life. In this video, we'll walk through 10 silent signs your dog may be in pain and what to do about it. Most owners miss number 7. Watch all so you never miss out. Sign number 1. Behavioral changes. Have you ever noticed your playful dog suddenly acting aloof? Or maybe your calm companion has become snappy or aggressive. Dogs in pain often undergo personality shifts. A normally affectionate dog may growl when you approach, while a social dog might start hiding under the bed or behind furniture. These shifts aren't just mood swings, they're coping mechanisms. According to AKC, just as with people, pain can make dogs cranky. So watch for changes in your dog's behavior. Learn to read your dog's body language so you can spot signs of stress associated with pain. Sign number 2. Limping or reluctance to move. Dogs don't limp for attention. Limping, favoring a leg, or avoiding stairs can indicate joint issues, paw injuries, or even spinal problems. They might not yelp, but they'll hesitate to jump on the couch, take longer to rise after sleep, or walk with a changed gait. These subtle signs can be the earliest indicators of arthritis or soft tissue injuries. According to VCA hospitals, signs of pain. A painful dog may stand with his front legs back under his chest in order to take some of the weight away from painful hips or rear legs. You may notice that once he sits, his rear legs splay off to the left or right, rather than being tucked underneath as is normal. Sign number 3. Changes in eating or drinking. When your dog suddenly eats less or avoids chewing, it's time to investigate. Oral pain is common in aging dogs, especially from dental disease, fractured teeth, or infected gums. Pain can also affect their gut. Dogs with pancreatitis, bloating, or internal inflammation often eat less or drink excessively to self-soothe. Tip: if your dog chews on only one side of their mouth, drools more than usual, or paws at their face, it might be time for a dental check. According to American Veterinary Medical Association, some pets become irritable when they have dental problems, and any changes in your pet's behavior should prompt a visit to your veterinarian. Sign number 4. Excessive licking or grooming. A dog who won't stop licking one paw or joint may be trying to numb the pain. It's not always a skin issue. Even when there's no visible wound, your dog might be feeling deep tissue or nerve pain. This kind of repetitive licking can also lead to secondary infections and sores. According to PetMD, it can be frustrating as a pet parent to watch your dog licking, chewing, or grooming themselves obsessively. There are many possible reasons for excessive licking in dogs, including medical conditions such as allergies, pain, and digestive issues. Sign number 5. Abnormal breathing. Shallow breathing, sighing, or panting when it's not hot can all point to pain. Dogs in discomfort often try to mask it by controlling their breath. Labored breathing might mean internal issues, like heart disease, chest pain, or trauma. Sudden panting at rest should never be ignored. Sign number 6. Stiffness, hunched back, or awkward posture. Dogs in pain often move like something is off. A hunched back may signal abdominal or spinal pain. A stiff neck or tail can indicate injury or nerve compression. Your dog might stretch less, move cautiously, or have trouble lying down. They may walk in a way that looks like they're tiptoeing or walking on eggshells. According to Cornell Neurology, canine spinal pain. For many animals, the first and sometimes only sign is pain, reluctance to move their head or neck, or standing hunched and crying when picked up, says Wood. Other animals may have trouble walking, where their feet slide out, they walk on top of their feet, or trip and fall frequently. In severe cases, they may not be able to move their legs at all. Sign number 7. Vocalizing. Dogs who are usually quiet may whimper, whine, or groan. These are often reflexive responses when the pain is sharp, sudden, or constant. Even more telling, dogs who yelp when being picked up or touched in certain spots. That's not bad behavior, it's pain avoidance. Sign number 8. Sleep disturbances and restlessness. Pain doesn't rest, and neither will your dog. Restlessness, frequent shifting positions, or being unable to get comfortable are signs something's wrong. If your dog is pacing at night, suddenly gets up to change spots, or sleeps less than usual, it's time to look deeper. Chronic pain often disrupts sleep cycles, just like in humans. Sign number 9. Eye changes. Squinting, cloudy pupils, redness, or increased blinking can signal eye pressure or trauma. Glaucoma is excruciating for dogs and often goes unnoticed until it's advanced. Dogs may also bump into objects or show sudden sensitivity to light. Sign number 10. Droopy or motionless tail. Your dog's tail is a thermometer for their happiness and health. If their tail is tucked, limp, or doesn't wag like it used to, it could be muscle injury. tail trauma, or spinal pain. Some dogs experience limber tail syndrome after overexertion or swimming, but prolonged symptoms always need a vet's eye. My final thoughts. Dogs are stoic by nature, but just because they're not crying doesn't mean they're not hurting. As pet parents, we must learn to read between the lines and notice what they can't say. Early detection saves lives. If any of these signs sound familiar, please don't wait. A trip to the vet could mean the difference between prolonged pain and a speedy recovery. Have you ever spotted pain in your dog before it got worse? What did you notice first? Comment below in the comment section. We have tried to cover all the basics, however, there is no end to any topic or information. If you are interested in reading more about this subject, we have provided references to other sources in the description. Like this video to help other pet owners. Subscribe to Serve Dogs for regular updates and information on dog health, care, food, training, and more.